Hi guys, I'm back again. This is my third and last video for today, and this is the second largest journal for Diana. It is about 12.5 inches by 8 3/4 inches, and again the spine is 1.5 inches. So there's a beautiful botanical image on here. I've collaged some papers, washi tape, and some stamped antique hemp, some lace, and then on the back I left it like that because I loved the colour. Then inside, I put this tie-up pocket tuck in the front. So I'll just show you. There's a glassine bag with a tag in there, and then it opens up. Again, it was like a Franken sort of paper. It has some, I'll just move this over. It has some paper for writing, and then I made, it's got a hand stitch pocket in there with a little journaling card, and then a handmade journaling card as well. So that's that one. Sorry, it's just like moving around. I have to moving around the tripod. Okay, and then behind it's a pocket. Again, I used antique string. Just a minute. Okay, so behind is a pocket. There's a handmade journaling card there, and I just put in Diana one of these, the original pages here that you can play around with, because it was too fragile to sew in this one. So I just thought I'd give it to you anyway. And then let's move center back in. This is one of those flips that I made the other day here, as you can see here. Again, I had to do Franken paper because I didn't have paper that was big enough. This was originally in the book, so beautiful handwritten. And then these are all pages from the book as well. And then again, I stitched in my decorative pages. This is a pocket with some of my collage paper, and then a lovely embroidery here for you to play with. It's printed on ivory copy paper, some straw paper, a tuck spot up here, and then the original hand-stitched tag. I'll show you the other side. You can remove those, they're a little bit bulky. Some more paper, that's from I think Tsunami Rose, some handwritten paper, original, one of my envelopes here. So the front pocket, there's the front pocket and then the middle pocket. So there's just a journaling card there and then a big tag that I made. Okay, let's keep on keeping on. One of my scanned embroideries, original book page, the center of the signature. There are 3 signatures, didn't say that. Some paper, I don't know if that's Digital Curio or TLC Creations. Just a tuck spot with a journaling card in there. Some more of the handwritten paper. And I loved this fresco, so I put that in there. Then some of my collage paper here, and then I made it into a tuck spot, and then just a big tag. That's a scanned embroidery, and then that's also one of my digitals, and some antique fabric up the top, and then just some washi there, and a lace belly band. One of my collaged pages. I love this one with the blues. Here it's got napkin, doily, collage, scanned collage pages, flowers, and then inside you can write. Slip that back in there. Some public domain seed pages. That's just a what you call vintage ephemera garden. Here's an envelope, an old envelope, and then just some TLC Creations pages to journal on, and then this is a big tuck spot. Also, I thought with each journal I will send an original old antique postcard as well. This is an envelope that I had altered, and I just put a few little pieces in there for you to play around with, and it's a flip out. Here is a little tuck spot up here, and then just one of my old letters that I have, and I printed this one on both sides. So that's 18.29, that one. And you can journal here if you want to. It's just beautiful writing, really, really nice. And it's on tea-dyed paper. So that just goes under there. Straw paper, TLC Creations. This is Digital Curio. And then I just made a Tim Holtz pocket here, and then one of my collaged book pages there, and my tags there. And then here is the other side. Oh, I folded that one over so it's a double pocket. Just a little journaling card and a tag that I made on old book page. A public domain image there, original book page, one of my collaged paper pockets, and then this is a doily that I have. It's an embroidery, that's half of it because it didn't fit in the scan. It's very big, but it's very pretty. I love the colours, so you can play around with that. Skipped a page. This is a New York Public Library public domain image, an old letter, and then I think here I've got here's an envelope, one of my altered envelopes that I made, and there's a few things in there. I'll just get those out. A few things in there for you to play with, some doilies, just to decorate things, and if you want to, or pages, or whatever you like. And what else do we have? Can't remember. Some more public domains from those seed books, I don't know what you call them. A big tuck spot here and a big journaling card that I made. Some scanned collage paper. And then another tuck spot made with my collage paper. I put the other side of that page that was all sort of broken there. And then this is just a tag that I made, or journaling card. This is the last signature. This is one of my envelopes that I left open, so I folded it around both sides. And here's just a big tuck spot with a nice big journaling card. You can put whatever you like in there. You can use the window if you like. Oh, that's some of the book from the nature science book. Just some birds. Here's a tuck spot with one of my hand stitched things. Another embroidery that you can, scanned embroidery that you can play around with. Some more seed booklet. Some digital curio paper. Here's a nice, this is just a tuck spot that I made with, I think that came from Artie Mays. And then this is just on the 1866 book page, and that's TLC Creations, and I just collaged it so you can write on the back. It's a big journaling card. And then on the other side I put a smaller journaling card as well. And then that's a beautiful photo that I took in Venice. I just love the colours, and you could write on there. A lovely old bird. And then the problem number 21 from the maths notebook. I have no idea how old that is. That's from the New York Public Library. I made a doily, a real paper doily tuck spot. That's just a little journaling card from Stamperia. And then a nice big long tag that I made. Lovely botanical image. Embroidery. Then I made a narrow pocket here, also in yours, and so that's just a journaling card that I made, and that's on Jessica paper. And then this is a big long journaling card that I made. I thought that fit in there nicely. And then what else? We have some more digital curio, TLC Creations, the other side of the envelope, and I just put this little envelope in that I made with the old book page and some Tracy Fox and napkin and a lovely fussy cut flower. And then here I collaged the back page. I put in this envelope, I just slipped in a couple of things in here as well for you, a Tracy Fox tag and a little New York Public Library image. You can put whatever you like. And then it's also a tuck spot behind it, so that's a little journaling card, and then a bigger journaling card with some old lace on it and book page and a book image. So I hope you like that, Diana. Let me know. And I'll also tie some linen around yours to help close it. It does go down a lot when you remove all of the ephemera. Again, you can remove some pages and use them in your collaging if you find there's too many in there. I like to put more in and then you can take them out rather than not put enough. So I hope you like it, and I really enjoyed making these, and I enjoyed making the larger ephemera for them. And I will be back soon, maybe tomorrow, with something else. So let me know if you'd like to know how to make these, and maybe we can do that tomorrow. So thank you for watching. Bye.